Greetings, and I'm glad you guys are with me now. You guys probably wonder why I moved my hands at the beginning of the video. It's because when it's on social media, they don't play any sound, they just see movement. So there's your movement. All right. The markets end the day mostly bullish, but it's Monday. We're kicking off the week here, January 8th, 2018. And everybody has spoken. You guys like 3 charts. And long as you can see all the detail, I'm gonna do just that for you all. Here's the deal. Everybody in bullish territory except the Dow. Dow down, but the NASDAQ doing the best, up 0.4%. You'll notice also financials are down, and crude oil up 0.6%, gold lower, silver down more, down 0.4%, VIX fear increasing by more than 3%, and the Bitcoin down at this moment 8.5%. We're now down below 15, and GBTC is down 5.7%, and that's where we're at. Okay, starting off here with the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, SPY. Let's take a look at this. We're up, and away. We just keep beating records. All-time record highs again and again. Across the board. I mean, it's just very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish. But we popped up today on small volume. It's kind of, I mean, we're probably due for a pullback, but I got some charts to show you that look like this thing could keep charging north. The Dow popped up, sideways move, not a whole lot. Long as it stays above this blue line. Ooh, this blue line. Do you see this? We popped up over it. I need to go to that line. Yeah, we're still above it. Okay, so we're good. I needed to make sure that line was spot on. Matter of fact, I'm going to go there and take a look at it. Oh, I need to bring that down just ever so slightly right there. Okay. And I won't edit that out. I'll let you guys see what I'm doing there. But there it is, Dow. NASDAQ, go to the NASDAQ, up. Looking pretty good, but starting to lose its momentum a bit. Russell's 2000 had a big sell-off today, rallied back high, like it's threatening to break through resistance. It needs to do that because this is a rising wedge, which is more bearish than it is bullish. This here needs to break out to the upside to make this rising wedge null and void. It needs to break through that line of resistance. If it does, small caps, if it breaks that, the markets could still keep charging higher. Financials up, and we're above all major moving averages, kind of a stagger step sideways. US dollar, we're down. And today's pop, this is after hours, but today's pop is that. I'm going to say that we are now bullish on the US dollar. Crude oil up. Look at this high base we're starting to build. This thing looks like it's wanting to break through. It needs to break through 1243, which is a resistance point going back in history, in this big trend line. If we can get up at 1250 or higher and stay above that, expect crude oil to keep going higher. Gold is, look at this, a bullish pennant. Look at that. This thing is ready to pop yet again. Gold, guys, is looking to rally yet again. Silver. Oh, you know what? Silver, we're up. We sold off, but we came back. This is showing a little weakness, but if it can get above this level here, and then this blue line is going to stay very, very bullish. But let me go to silver. Let me go to 3 screens just to show you this. On the this is the weekly. We're up, and right now, as long as we can stay above this blue line and the blue 20-week moving average, that's going to be bullish. So far it's looking good. But these are the 3 charts, monthly, weekly. If I look at gold, same thing. We're up over on the weekly, up over an area of resistance. So look for this to keep going higher. I mean, it looks really, really good. Quick look, guys. Just a quick, oh, let's be VIX. Let's go there first. VIX, Friday called it a buy, and sure enough, we do go higher on Monday, and that's where we're at. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we're in a symmetrical triangle now. You can see the blue line, symmetrical triangle. We had this falling wedge that did break out, boom, to the upside, and then we have this We're pulling back. The reason I didn't put a sell on it Friday was simply because, or over the weekend rather, is because we're consolidating. We're consolidating. And we have a support here, and look how we came down and touched that support. Buyers came in and brought it right back. I expect us to chop around in this area a little bit. The question is, will we break over the high? And if so, that's a bullish play. That is a buy if it happens over this blue line. It is a sell if we break down below it. That's what we're looking at there. Quick look at the Dow 30. I'm just going to throw some interest. Caterpillar up 2.5%. Look at this. Boom! To the upside. Have a buy on that goes back to August of last year, and that is still on fire. Cisco up 1%. Look at this. I put a buy on it here, and that thing is doing very well. Disney down. So Disney gets a big fat sell. I'm going to put a sell on Disney. Had a great run. There's my sell on Disney. And GE down 1.4. I have a buy on Disney or GE. Now it's doing this. So I'm going to put a sell on this, but I think it's going to be a short-lived sell. I think GE is putting in a bottom. I think it is. Wait for this to pull back a little bit. I do not expect us to make a new low, not GE. I think the low is in. Oh, Goldman Sachs down. Look at this. I have a sell on that one, and it come down. Wow, it's down 1.5% almost. I told you it's in trouble. Chances are JP Morgan is, nope, that one's in bullish territory. I thought that would be down too. Let's see here. Anything else I want to look at on the Dow 30? We're down 1% on PFE. We got a buy on it. Now it's dropping. I'm going to put a sell on PFE. And whoa, UNH down 1.7%. Have a buy on it. Oh, I'm not ready to put a sell on this one, not yet. And UTX had this big pop today, drop. Walmart up 1.5%. I have a buy on it a few days ago, and boom, higher, looking good. Let's take, while we're here, quick look at tech stocks. Tech stocks. We always have to look at Apple. Apple went up. It's sniffing this resistance area, and sellers came into it. Interesting. Amazon up 1.4%. Up and away. And I put a buy on that at the beginning of the year. Baidu up 2.3%. Put a buy on that in December. And look where it's at now. Very strong. Whoa, GoPro down almost 13%. Look at this. It was down, looks like 30% at some point today. Wow. I didn't see the news on that. Something happened. Something happened. Oh, it must have been earnings. I don't see my earnings indicator here, though. That's interesting. Anyway, bad news on that. NVDA up 3%. I put a buy on that in December. Boom! Look how we went over the resistance line. We came back down and closed right at it. It's not by accident, guys. See how we went up to this trend line and we stuttered step, and then boom! Try to get through it and we closed at it. You draw these lines correctly and it's golden. Golden. Price line up 1.5%. Up. And wow, snap down 3%. Put a sell on that a few days ago, and bam! But it hammered out. This could be a bounce here soon, guys. This could be. Oh, that's my Bluetooth speaker. This thing could pop. Should I put a buy on it right now? Looking for specialist behavior going back. Okay, I am doing a preemptive play here. I'm putting a buy now on Snap. And Twitter's up more than 1%. I put a buy on a few days ago, and it's going in the right direction. I was on the phone with a Grok student. His name's Matt. Hey, Matt, if you're listening. And he's been following me over 10 years. And he said something on the phone that I wanted to share with all you guys. But he said, that when it comes to trading, just like business, it doesn't matter what you think. It matters what the market thinks. If it doesn't matter what you think, then it shouldn't matter what the gurus think. Jim Cramer, any of the fast money guys, or whoever it is that you listen to or like. Doesn't matter if you've written a book or two. The guru's opinion doesn't matter. What truly matters is the measurement of the market. How do we measure the market? Well, you measure price action. What is price action? It is the chart. We can measure the chart. So raw data is price action. Price action gives us the high of the day, the low of the day, the start of the day, the end of the day, and who won for the day. That is raw information. Furthermore, you have volume, which is raw data, that raw information. Whoever reads price action and volume the best wins. An indicator is just a fancy formula that takes price action and volume to kick out some other formation for you to be able to see something that technically you should be seeing already. I'm getting a little philosophical on you here, but I just thought him saying that was worth sharing with the people here. He has been following me over 10 years. My question is, how long have you been following our videos here at Grok Trade? Put it down in the comments. Let me know how long you've been following. If you've only been following, this is the first time you watched a video, I want you to put that. If you've only watched for a day, let me know. But man, I really want to know who my people are. Those that have heard me and been following me for a long time, just let me know. Anyway, really appreciate each and every one of you guys. We'll catch up with you later. Bye.